As a product reviewer, I am offered a variety of products every single day. I turn down over 85% of them. I try to only review the products that I think are of quality or will interest you. And then every once in a while, I come across a product that I want so much that I go and buy myself. And I came across the MOFT Trackable Tripod Wallet, and it checks all of the boxes for me. So I went and ordered this, and I'm so excited to test this out. This is a brand new release, and it really is a tripod MagSafe wallet with Apple tracking built in. So it's going to be perfect for me, as I'm always losing my wallet and I would always like to have a tripod on me. Now the packaging is very cool. You can open it up, it has a little magnet, and right here it explains how to connect it to your Apple tracking. And then once you take the tape off, the whole bottom slides out and you get straight to the Apple wallet itself. And before I get to that, I just want to show the rest of the packaging, which is that you can open up this section right here, and this is where your manual is if you have any questions. So I do think this is very intuitive. And then finally in the back, it does have a MagSafe circle for you. So if you don't have this already on the back of your phone, don't worry about it. You can just stick this on. It has 3M tape. Really simple instructions, basically clean the back of your phone, stick this on, hold it in place, and then you're good to go. Now, the wallet itself does have a little more heft. So that's my only con with it so far, is that it's notably heavier than my current wallet, but I get why. Now to start off with, on the front, it does have this button, which I'll be pressing to connect it to the Apple Air tracking shortly. But it also does open up, so it has this little opening right there. And then this piece will slide up into any position you want. So you really can set this however you want and just stick your phone on it. This is where the phone will connect. And then the wallet section is pretty minimal. It looks like it will only hold about 2 cards, which is fine for me, as the only 2 cards I really care these days for it to carry are my ID and my insurance card. So I think it'll be good there. I will test that in a moment, but let's first see how this works with a phone. Yes, I am using just a phone with a sticker MagSafe on it, and that works great. Let's see how I can rotate it and aim. It does have a little bit of a tipping point, so that's something to keep in mind, but once I get it in place and give it a moment, it's going to stay. And of course, I can go landscape as well and rotate whichever position I want. That is so cool. Just on its own, the fact that I have now a tripod with me at all times is perfection. Now I'm going to connect it to Apple Find My, and then I'm going to show you some other really cool features this has that I didn't even realize it had that really take it to the next level. But to do it, I'm going to hold down what looks like a little rubbery square on the front until it beeps at me. And then once it does, in the Apple Find My app, I'm just going to hit plus, and I'm going to add other item, and it's going to search for items. Now it took a moment to connect. I think this is actually pretty low on batteries. This is chargeable, but I did get connected, so now I can name it, and I can choose an emoji. I will make it my money emoji. And now that I have it in Apple Find My, I can have it play a sound if I can't find it. And I can also have directions, so it can help me find where it went. And of course, it will show it on the map as well. So now I'm not gonna lose my wallet, which I am always doing. Now the next part is I can actually put this into Bluetooth as well. Just hold it down again till it makes the beep noise. And it should show up in your Bluetooth as MOFT Tripod Wallet. And then once you're connected, it's gonna beep at you. And now I can actually use this button to take pictures and to do video. So I can start and stop video with the button, which is pretty fun. And if you had this set up somewhere else, it would still work via Bluetooth, so you could still have it turn on and off. So this is great for group photos, really gives you a lot of control. I'm gonna see how many cards I can fit in there. So I'm gonna start with a silly bowling alley card. It looks like it's really only good for 1 card, but I'm gonna try 1 more. just to see how this goes. That fits, but it starts getting really tight. So something to keep in mind is this is pretty minimalist on the cards, but nowadays we rarely pull out cards, or at least I don't. I mostly just am using my phone as my wallet. The cards are just there so I can drive my car and I have my ID on me. And then finally, unlike most AirTags out there that just run out of batteries and then it's over, this is actually chargeable. So you can connect it to a wireless charger to fully charge it. It will also notify you on your phone when it needs a charge. So this is a fully chargeable tripod MagSafe wallet with Apple tracking and Bluetooth control. What else can you ask for? I am so happy I got this. I obviously will be using it on my main phone most of the time, and it is going to serve me so well in so many different ways. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect wallet, this is really impressive. I really love how well built it is, and I actually really love how strong the magnet is on it. It's not going to come off easily. The MOFT Trackable Tripod Wallet is really cool.